What's up, guys? Welcome back here for another video. Yesterday and Friday evening, me and my dad, we did some changes to the GTI. We removed the 034 Motorsport springs, front camber top hats, and the rear shock top hats. They were the higher density rubber, which causes it to have a little bit more, have a stiffer ride. You can feel every little bounce, but it's great because it's good cornering. But I changed what I wanted to do with the car. I was gonna try to do some autocross, but I decided against that, just because I want to get more longevity out of the car, and don't want to just put it through the ringer of doing autocross and racing and all that good stuff. So I decided to change that up, but I went with a Racingline sports, the suspension for the shocks and struts, and then I went with the H&R OE sport springs, which gives it more of a stock height, but still a little lower. I put the factory stock top hats front and back, and it's just an amazing, it's a great ride. Now the cornering, I could tell that the cornering is quite as great as with the 034 because I took that stiffness out of there. I still have the rear 034 sway bar on the stiffest position, so it still gets me around the corners pretty well. This car can handle real well anyway. So here's what it looks like with the Racingline shocks and struts and the H&R OE sport springs.